Elegant Gel Polish. We put together the top 24 trendiest new colors for the year of 2022-2023. We studied the upcoming color trends closely so you could display a colorful, stylish, modern manicure every time for holidays. This jelly color gel is perfect for the nail lover with different skins. These ultimate monochrome color gel can be used to make various nail styles, such as French nails and swirl nails. 28 pieces Gel Polish Set. Package includes 24 bottles 6 ml sheer jelly nude pink taffy brown color and 4 pieces 10 ml no wipe base and glossy matte top coat gel nail polish set. You'll be dizzy with delight wearing this jelly candy pink gel nail polish. Jelly gel polish will make your nails like a cherry blossom jelly. It is a semi-transparent nail gel. 1 layer, 2 layers and 3 layers are different effect. Healthy and glossy shine. Gopa's 28 pieces gel nail polish kit are made from 9 toxin-free ingredient which makes it safe and has odorless. With good tenacity and highly pigmented, Gopa's premium gel material bring you brilliant shine finish, smooth appearance and flawless coverage. Easy application and long-lasting. With proper application, last at least 3 weeks, this gorgeous gel nail polish set is perfect for all daily working or dating, party or ceremony activity, such as sports activity, birthday, holiday, anniversary, Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day gift. About quality. Gopa's brand nail gel will have strict quality control standards by professionals before leaving the factory to ensure that each color and quality meet the standards. Packaging material has double filtered light source. Helps protect the color of the nail gel. Top reviews from the United States. Super pretty. These polishes are super pretty. I usually go about 3 coats to get a good coverage on natural nail. They do peel off after a bit, but so do my other polishes. So my technique may just not be the best yet.